Most people that want to write a book tell themselves that they don't have enough time to do it. That is not true.
What we've learned after so many years in this industry is that procrastination is not actually about not having enough time. It's usually about fear of putting yourself out there, fear of failure, fear of what your family and friends are going to think. Just the fear of standing in your truth and delivering your wisdom or your story to the world. We don't want that fear to stand in the way of you getting a book out there. If you have a book dream in your heart, there is a reason for it.
That's why we're running the 2-day Writers' Workshop in Edinburgh. We'll help you overcome those fears to get your book written and give you some tools to start thinking like an author. You'll learn how to decide which book to write first, how to tell your story in a compelling way, and why a book proposal is so important. Everything you need to know to become a successful author.